All right, I'm going to show you guys how to make Americano with this espresso maker. I made another video, the Bialetti Moka Express. Awesome. Definitely highly recommend. So basically, I learned this in Italy. I'm American, so I had no idea, but basically you pour the espresso into the cup, and all you have to do next is get boiling hot water and pour it in. Now, this is actually done by taste because people like their coffee differently. Black coffee, you might put some cream in it, but this is basically all you need to do to make an Americano. So that's why it's funny when you're in Italy, people kind of, or maybe not anymore, but in the past, they would make fun of Americans because we like Americanos,
I mean, they'll literally bring you espresso with a little pot of hot water.
which is basically espresso with hot water. And yep, pretty simple, huh? Now you know how to make an Americano. All right, guys. Hope this video was fun. See you next time. Bye bye.